Picked up a new Safari Land. Got it from T-Rex Arms. 6354 RDS. The plan is my beautiful tan holster is no longer going to be tan, because if you couldn't tell by watching my channel, I have a thing for camouflage, and this holster is no different. I picked up, I think it's Ghost Design. Anyway, I bought this on eBay. It's backed with 3M adhesive, and I'm going to put it on this holster, and we're going to do it together. I've never done this before, but never a Safari Land and never with something actually made for it. So any lessons I learn, hopefully I can pass on to you guys in this video, and let's get to it.
First off, a quick disassembly, nothing crazy, just a couple of Allen screws. I took off this little thumb guard here, and I never plan on putting it back on. I don't even know why they have these. The wrap came with all these alcohol wipes, so I figured I'd wipe it off, make it nice and clean. So immediately after starting to stick it on for the first time, I realized how hard it was going to be. I tried to use these shell casings to kind of punch out holes that are uniform and symmetric, but that didn't work as well as I thought, so I kind of used it as a stencil, then cut around the holes. Here's where everything kind of started to fall apart. I noticed the Cordura was getting bunched up in places where I didn't really want it. Just a really complex holster to wrap. And this is me in real time realizing that this is probably not going to work how I thought it would.
About here, the Cordura started getting really bunched up and really just, you could tell it was not going to make it all the way around and look even remotely good. So I have started to cut out these little stencils, and I'm attaching them throughout the holster in a way that might end up looking alright. And I'm a little bummed about it, but you know, that's how it goes. That's what I'm going with. I don't think it looks too bad. I actually think it kind of looks cool.
So, living with my choices, I went back to reassembly.
As I was wrapping, I began to realize that this Cordura doesn't stretch as much as I thought it would, so getting to sit flat around these really topologically complex parts, it began to really stress the fabric, and it was obvious it wasn't going to look good. So, bummed out, took an L, but then I figured there was probably a way I could salvage all this adhesive Cordura. It's pretty cool stuff. It's got 3M backing, and I don't know, we'll see how long it sticks on there, but I just cut out little shapes to make it kind of camo looking. Maybe you guys will tell me it looks like garbage, maybe it does, maybe you're right. I don't care. It kind of fits my aesthetic. All my stuff on my belt is different camos, so this is my fate. This is what I get for trying to mix camouflage. I don't know, tell me what you guys think. Maybe it's cool, maybe it's not. I kind of like it. I think it'll grow on me. Or it won't. I'll strip all this shit off and then I'll paint it. And then we could do another painting video. That's it for me. Appreciate you guys sticking through this with me. It was a struggle, and here we are. New holster. Thanks, guys. See you in the next one.